Hello friends, welcome to our channel Prepare for Bank. I'm excited about this new video on the explanation for what are the IBPS SO exam. So friends, SO stands for Specialist Officer, where the officers that are going to be recruited have to have a special kind of skill sets and they are specialized in their subject area. So friends, in this video we are going to cover about the IBPS SO exam, banks for which the IBPS will be conducting this SO exam, then exam pattern, and we'll discuss in detail about the preliminary exam and the main exams. So friends, let's get started. First we'll understand about the SO exam. So as I earlier mentioned that SO exam is conducted by IBPS and that is for all the participating banks through a common recruitment process, in which the common recruitment process all the participating banks send out their vacancy notification for the specialist criteria and then the IBPS conducts the exam for it. So this is about the SO exam. Now the banks which are going to take participation in this SO examinations are Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, then Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, UCO Bank and Union Bank of India. So friends, for these of the banks they will be sending out the requirement or the vacancies for the any of the specialist category requirement they have, and the IBPS will be conducting the exam for it. So now let's look into the examination pattern. So in this examination pattern we can see the exam are conducted in three modes. One is the preliminary examination, then the main examination is conducted, and after that the final interview is being taken. So let's learn about the preliminary examination. In preliminary examination, the time allotted is of 2 hours 120 minutes and total number of questions are asked are 150 and are for 125 marks. The reasoning questions are of 50 marks and 50 questions. The quantitative aptitude are of 50 questions and 50 marks. The general awareness with special reference to banking industry, these are the questions that will be asked for the law and Raj Bhasha post, and apart from that like 50 questions for English and 25 marks. So this is the crux of the preliminary exam pattern. Let's have a look into the exam pattern which is being given in the IBPS SO notification. So friends, as per this notification you can see like there is a common area for all the post or the specialist officer category where English reasoning is common for all. However, quantitative aptitude is not applicable for law and Raj Bhasha post. So that's where like the third number point is pasted over here twice. So candidates who are appearing for law and Raj Bhasha, they have to prepare for general awareness with special reference to banking industry. So they will be taking 50 questions and 50 marks for this. So this is about the preliminary examination. And after preliminary examination, let's see on the mains examination. Once the candidate have cleared the preliminary examination, they will be eligible to appear for the mains examination. And in mains examination, the candidate have to take a total of 60 marks and 45 minutes examination, where the professional knowledge questions are being asked for the 60 questions and 60 marks, and for the Raj Bhasha post the professional knowledge questions that will be MCQ type is of 45 questions will be there, and apart from that 2 descriptive questions will be there. So now this is the format that I have taken from the IBPS SO examination notification. So you can see over here for the post of law officer, IT officer, agriculture field officer, HR or personnel officers and marketing officer, the professional knowledge test that will be an MCQ based test, you will be having 60 marks of questions and 60 questions will be asked over there, and duration for this examination is 45 minutes. Whereas for the post of Raj Bhasha Adhikari, there will be a 45 objective questions and that will be like combined marks allocated are of 60. and the duration for the MCQs is 30 minutes, and 30 minutes are allocated for the descriptive questions. That will be 2 questions will be asked in that part. So these are the examination point of view discussed for the mains examination. Now let's discuss the important point, that is this examination is having the negative marking of 0.25 marks for every given wrong answer, and marks of only mains examination will be considered for the interview and final merit. So keeping in mind that there is a negative marking and mains examination will be playing an important role in final selection, we need to prepare in accordance with that. So friends, I hope you are clear with these details of IBPS SO examination. If you have any questions or comments, do mention it, and please share this video with your friends and like and subscribe this channel for future information. Thank you.